one sweat coin is equals to 6 cents. Okay, so this is a live chart of the weight of sweat coin. Okay, so it was recently launched a day ago. Okay, it was recently launched like 2 days ago. Sorry. Okay, it was launched September 13. Okay, and you can see the price chart. Okay, to USD. Okay, so it's currently 6 cents. Okay, so in this video I'll be doing a full review video on this sweat coin. Okay, whether it's worth it. Okay, whether it's something you can put your time into, okay, to make money from. Okay, so kindly hit the subscribe button if this is your first time here. Turn on the notification bell so you can notify I drop a new video on this channel. Okay, because I post content every week. Okay, like twice every week. Okay, on how to make money online. Okay, and if you want to contact me personally, my social media link is in the description of this video. Kindly check it out. Okay, message me. I usually reply within 24 hours. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the official website. Okay, Sweatcoin. Okay, so sweatco.in. Okay, so they pay you to work actually. Okay, so according to what they say on their website here, okay, we are going through it step by step. Okay, so it pays you to work. Okay, so there's a specific amount they pay you for working. Okay, I will tell you that. Okay, so let's just go through the website step by step. Okay, so their vision, okay, they created this free app whereby you can generate free sweat coin. Okay, just by working and the rest. Okay, and they say they, according to them, they say they have over 100 million registered users. Okay, and they say 1 billion to come. Okay, possibly. Let's see. And you can see your rating on Play Store and Apple Store. Okay, on Play Store they have over 1.36 million rating, like an average of 4.1/5 rating, and on Apple Store they have 203,000 rating, 4.6 out of 5. Okay, and you can see people talking about it. Okay, so many, and it is available in 60 countries. Okay, so you can check if your country is actually available here, but it should be available in almost all countries. Okay, almost all countries. Okay, because in Nigeria it's actually available. Okay, and you can see choose from 1,000 of fabulous branded goods and services in our marketplace, from high tech shoes to iPhone. Okay, so I think at a point you can spend your Sweatcoin, okay, on some valuable stuff. Okay, you can use to buy shoe, buy iPhone. Okay, but since it's just recently launched, it's not yet available though. You can donate it, okay, to humanitarian services, environmental. Okay, and you can also exchange your coin. Okay, I think into other crypto. I think, yeah. Okay, so this is, it say, showing real time. Okay, this is the amount of sweat coin actually created. Okay, but people are earning every day. Okay, so to download the app, just scroll down here. You see the section to download the app. If you are using an iPhone, tap this part, download the app. If you are using an Android, tap this part to download the app. It's very easy. So when you tap on it, okay, to take you to the App Store. Okay, you see where you can download it. This the official app. Okay, don't download anything else. Okay, so this is the app here. Okay, and if you are using Android, tap on this part and to take you to Play Store and you can download it. Okay, so once I downloaded it, you just have to register. Okay, so I've actually dropped my referral link, okay, in the description of this video. Can you click on my referral link to download the app? I really appreciate if you can do that. Okay, just show, okay, just show like appreciation for me just doing this video for you. Okay, so back to the website here. Okay, so actually they'll pay you one sweat coin per 1,000 steps. Okay, and you can see the live chart here that Sweatcoin, okay, just fluctuated from 0.5, 0.059, 0.6, 0.061. Okay, just fluctuating. Okay, so at times go up to come up to go down. Okay, so they'll actually pay you 1,000 one Sweatcoin to for 1,000 steps. Okay, and this is something you can just log into your app, and maybe if you are going for a workout or you are going out, you can just leave it and to keep counting steps. Okay, so basically you're just making a free money just by doing nothing. Okay, so basically nothing because you work every day okay, to work every day. So instead of you wasting energy working and not getting anything, with this opportunity of Sweatcoin now, you can actually earn some specific amount of money, okay. Even though it can't make you rich, but you have to make some specific amount of money, okay. So um after doing some research on capital.com, okay, they said according to coin arbitrage bots, they made the Sweatcoin price prediction for 2020 that suggested that the new token could be around 0.069, okay. So currently it's around 0.059, 0.060, okay. So possibly it can come over to this price zone, okay, by September 15, with it remain that level for 30 days. By the end of the year, the site made a Sweatcoin crypto price prediction that said it could have fallen to around 0.059, okay. They're saying that the price, okay, this was a prediction, okay, but prediction is usually like 70% to 80% correct, okay. And they say by 2023, the price should have risen to $0.13, and by 2024 should have risen to $0.21, and by 2025 should have risen to $0.34. Okay. So many people might be thinking, okay, this should I be waiting till 2024, 2025? If you're into this crypto space, you know that everything is about long term, okay. There's no coin that you just come and cash out from. Everything is long term. You have to wait, okay, long term, okay. And basically you're not buying anything here, you're just getting it for free, so you can just leave it every day, keep working, okay. Just log on to the app, work, you can click your step and be making money. So as years come, because this coin will keep appreciating, okay, because keep appreciating, and your money will keep increasing since you are not even really buying any coin. So why just sorry, why don't you take this opportunity? Okay, since this is free money, okay. So this is the coin bot arbitrage bot site here, okay. So if you can see, they have some kind of stats here, okay. Price change in 1 hour, it increase for 24 hours, it decrease, okay. So it actually decrease from the price it actually launched, and then this is their own forecast: 2020 to increase more, 2023 to increase, so to keep increasing according to them, okay. So to me, I don't see any reason why you won't want to opt in for this opportunity, okay, because you basically earn one sweat coin for 1,000 steps, and also earn 5 Sweatcoin per referral, okay. So you can keep accumulating this, then in due time they will activate some features whereby you can convert the coin to other crypto or exchange it for dollar. But for now, it's not really available, okay. It's not really available, but everything is step by step, okay. So um for this throughout this review now, I can only say this is a coin that has future, okay. So I don't want you guys to just sleep on this, okay, because there is no any red flag on their website here, on their review pages. There is no any red flag. Everything is smooth and clean as how other coins should be, okay. So if you are looking for a way to make money online, okay, this can't make you rich, this can make you six figures, okay. So but this is also a way you can make money, okay. So don't sleep on this, try it out. Click the link in the description of the video, download the app, register, and log on to the app every day anytime you're going out to keep counting your steps, okay, and also refer your friends, okay, to earn more, okay. So that will be the full video regarding this tutorial video. So if you are interested, okay, in making more money, kindly check my channel. I have a lot of videos there where I post how to make money online, okay. And if you have question, you can private message me, okay. So also, I've created a WhatsApp group for this YouTube channel whereby I'll be dropping some updates, okay, because I can't be posting videos on some updates, okay. Some updates don't require video, just require like maybe 3 or 4 steps, okay. So I created that WhatsApp group. So if you're interested, you see a WhatsApp group link in the description of the video. Click it to join the WhatsApp group, okay. So you I'll be dropping some updates, if maybe an update for you to make quick cash, okay, within some days, okay. So kindly join the WhatsApp group, the link in the description of the video. So thanks for watching, do have a nice day.